Okay, to make your whiteboard timer for uh, the AMRAP workout for this weekend, just go to teambuilder.com, log in using your email and your password that you should have. Once you get in here, this is like the new dashboard. It's a little bit different. It's like they've done some changes, but you still want to go to workout tools, scroll down to whiteboard. Then when it comes to this, you click on the little box over here in the corner to get one screen. Again, you guys will only have one option. So you'll click on women's basketball. This will be for Saturday the 13th. So the workout will come up. On here, you'll go to the settings. We want to show the additional information, and then we're going to set our active timer for 20 seconds. And then they'll have 15 seconds rest to rotate to the next station, and then you're going to do 45 seconds in transition time, and that will give them, after the last set, it will give them a 1 minute rest to get water to get going. And then once that's all ready to go, you hit the little barbell, and it'll come up. You'll hit the clock, and it will run through the 20 seconds. When it's done, it will say rest, and then give them 15 seconds to move to the next exercise. Again, once it goes after the last set, the last exercise, it'll give them that additional 45 seconds to get a drink, to get water, to get a little bit of a rest in between rounds. Hope this helps, and hope you guys play well and beat the crap out of Pierce.